This is the Shivsagar railway station, and a lot of affected families have come here from the surrounding areas, and Global 6 has been, they get dry ration and everything, but they have no stoves to cook. So we make the food and bring it to them, and we do this every day.
सबसे पहले जो लोग वहाँ मदद के लिए पहुँचे हैं, गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल्स लगे हैं, रेस्क्यू टीम्स लगी हैं, सिविल सोसाइटी के लोग वहाँ वॉलंटियर कर रहे हैं, उन सबको मैं सैल्यूट करता हूँ और सबसे अपील करता हूँ कि जितनी मदद हो सके असम के लोगों की कीजिए।
पर एज ए ह्यूमन बीइंग, एज ए सिटीज़न ऑफ इंडिया, मैं यहाँ पे असम में अपना कंट्रीब्यूशन करने आया हूँ और ये एक अटेंशन भी यहाँ पे लोगों की तरफ लेके आया हूँ कि यहाँ डेवस्टेशन बहुत है, जो कि नेशनल मीडिया और नेशनल इशू नहीं बना है अब तक। तो मेरा तो यही है कि ये लोगों तक ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इस डेवस्टेशन की खबर पहुँचे, ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग यहाँ हेल्प कर सकें। आपकी अपनी अपनी श्रद्धा है, आप कैसे हेल्प कर सकते हैं। आप घर में अगर असम के लोगों के लिए एक प्रार्थना भी करेंगे तो वो भी बहुत है।
When floods destroy homes, they don't ask who you voted for, what religion you follow, or where you come from. They simply leave behind loss, uncertainty, and thousands of families waiting for help. And while rescue teams continue their work across Assam, several celebrities have quietly stepped in, not just by donating money, but by reaching out to the ground themselves. Leading that list is actor Randeep Hooda. Instead of limiting his support to social media, Randeep travelled all the way to one of Assam's worst hit districts, Shivsagar, where he joined Global 6, an organization he has worked with for several years. For 2 days, he worked alongside volunteers distributing ration kits, household essentials and freshly cooked meals to families displaced by the devastating floods. Many of them are now living at the Shivsagar railway station after flood waters submerged their homes.
This is the Shivsagar railway station, and a lot of affected families have come here from the surrounding areas, and Global 6 has been, they get dry ration and everything, but they have no stoves to cook. So we make the food and bring it to them, and we do this every day.
But Randeep Hooda didn't stop at serving meals. He helped distribute mattresses, tarpaulins, bedding, toiletries and essential household supplies to families trying to rebuild their lives. The actor also visited Gurudwara Sahib in Shivsagar, where he offered prayers for the well-being of flood victims as well as volunteers and rescue workers engaged in relief efforts. Speaking from the flood-hit region, Randeep made one appeal, not just for Assam, but for every humanitarian crisis.
अलग अलग चीज़ों की ज़रूरत है, हर रोज़ चीज़ों की रिक्वायरमेंट चेंज होती रहती है। तो आज यहाँ पे हम लोग टारपोलिन जो होते हैं वो दे रहे हैं, कुछ चप्पलें, घर के यूटेंसिल्स वगैरह बांट रहे हैं। और इतने इन लोगों के पास इतना बुरा हाल है, फिर भी मेरे को सम्मान कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे। मतलब बहुत ही अच्छे लोग हैं असम के, और मैं चाहूँगा कि सभी लोग देश में आके किसी न किसी तरीके से लोगों की मदद करें।
Randeep Hooda also revealed that the Global 6 team had already surveyed the affected areas to understand exactly what people still needed. According to him, many families already had dry rations. What they urgently required now were everyday essentials: safe shelter, bedding, tarpaulins, toiletries, medicines and continued support long after the flood waters recede. Randeep also warned that even after the water disappears, the thick sludge left behind could create an entirely new crisis after the affected communities.
पर एज ए ह्यूमन बीइंग, एज ए सिटीज़न ऑफ इंडिया, मैं यहाँ पे असम में अपना कंट्रीब्यूशन करने आया हूँ और ये एक अटेंशन भी यहाँ पे लोगों की तरफ लेके आया हूँ कि यहाँ डेवस्टेशन बहुत है, जो कि नेशनल मीडिया और नेशनल इशू नहीं बना है अब तक। तो मेरा तो यही है कि ये लोगों तक ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इस डेवस्टेशन की खबर पहुँचे, ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग यहाँ हेल्प कर सकें। आपकी अपनी अपनी श्रद्धा है, आप कैसे हेल्प कर सकते हैं। आप घर में अगर आसाम के लोगों के लिए एक प्रार्थना भी करेंगे वो भी बहुत है, या फिर आप किसी ग्राउंड से जुड़ी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जैसे ग्लोबल सिख है जो जाके एक्चुअली में लोगों को हेल्प कर रही है, उनके साथ आप काम कर सकते हैं।
This isn't the first time Randeep Hooda has joined hands with global Sikhs, like I said. Over the years, he has worked with the organization during the Kerala floods, the Punjab floods, and relief operations at migrant camps in Nowshera near the India-Pakistan border. His association has continued for years, well beyond a single disaster. Another public figure who chose to be on the ground was businesswoman and philanthropist Ananya Billa. Through the Ananya Billa Foundation, she personally traveled to Assam, landing in Jorhat before heading directly to some of the worst affected districts, including Sivasagar and Charaideo. Instead of simply announcing donations, Ananya walked through flood-hit villages, met displaced families, listened to their concerns, and witnessed firsthand the enormous challenge left behind by deep mud and silt. Before arriving in Assam, the Ananya Billa Foundation had already organized public donation drives across Mumbai, Bengaluru, and Kolkata between July 28th and August 2nd. Those contributions were transformed into emergency relief kits containing dry food, drinking water, medicines, hygiene products, sanitary supplies, and educational material for children affected by the floods. Meanwhile, Salman Khan extended support through the Being Human Foundation and local fan clubs. Instead of making just one donation, his team launched a multi-phase relief campaign providing drinking water, ready-to-eat meals, sanitary pads, mosquito coils, and other essential supplies across several flood-hit districts. Rajya Sabha MP Raghav Chadha issued a public video appeal urging people across India to stand in solidarity with flood-hit Assam and continue generously to the Assam Chief Minister's Relief Fund.
सबसे पहले जो लोग वहाँ मदद के लिए पहुँचे हैं, गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल्स लगे हैं, रेस्क्यू टीम्स लगी हैं, सिविल सोसाइटी के लोग वहाँ वॉलंटियर कर रहे हैं, उन सबको मैं सैल्यूट करता हूँ और सबसे अपील करता हूँ कि जितनी मदद हो सके असम के लोगों की कीजिए।
That's not all. Actor Sonu Sood once again activated the Sood Charity Foundation. His teams managed local relief distribution across districts including Hojai, Darang, and Moriga, ensuring aid reached families still waiting for assistance. Several celebrities also stepped forward financially. Kartik Aaryan donated 1 crore rupees to the Assam Chief Minister's Relief Fund, a contribution publicly acknowledged by Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma. Ayushmann Khurrana and Tahira Kashyap also contributed 11 lakh rupees towards relief efforts. Others chose to amplify the crisis through their social media platforms. Alia Bhatt and Bhumi Pednekar used their reach to highlight what flood-hit communities actually needed, while encouraging followers to donate to verified relief organizations.
देश का एक ऐसा भाग है जिसे हमारी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, वो है असम। असम में बहुत ज़्यादा बुरे फ्लड्स आए हैं, बाढ़ आई है। हालत इतनी खराब है कि 7.5 लाख लोगों को इवैक्यूएट किया गया है और 40 से ज़्यादा लोगों की मृत्यु हो चुकी है और डेथ टोल बढ़ता ही जा रहा है।
According to the latest official figures, the floods have already claimed 85 lives, while more than 1.36 lakh people across 5 districts continue to remain affected. For many families, the hardest part is no longer surviving the flood. It's rebuilding everything they have lost. Natural disasters don't discriminate, and neither should compassion. Whether it's volunteering on the ground, donating money, or simply supporting credible organizations, every contribution matters. Because when communities come together, hope returns. One helping hand at a time. What do you think? Should more public figures step beyond social media and participate in relief work like this? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. For more news and updates from across showbiz and beyond, stay tuned to Times Entertainment. I'm Dipali Patel. Until next time, take care, and if you can, extend a helping hand to those who need. Please do it.